Are you looking for a method of how to convert text into speech for free? Then this video is for you. Just keep watching and learn the skill. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.cloud.google.com text-to-speech. Now let's scroll down a little bit and go to demo section. Now select all demo text, then delete them. Now copy your text which you want to convert into audio. Then paste in the demo section. Now click in the Speak It. Human verification is needed in this process, so click I am not robot. After completing the human verification and artificial intelligence will start reading your text.
Once upon a time, there was a puppy named Spot who lived in a farm with his mother and siblings.
Now the question is how you will get this audio? In that case you will need a screen recorder to get this audio file. Start the screen recorder as audio recorder, then start converting text into speech. In the demo section you can convert more than 1,000 words into speech every time, and this process is unlimited. There are a lot of languages and the voices you can use for free. Thanks for watching and learning.